having trouble folding your shades? Don't worry, it's pretty simple and we got you. You will surely be excited to do this. Let's fold back the shades in a few simple steps. First thing you're gonna do is hold the shades and keep the rectangles one above the other like this. Now, keep each hand parallel with each other and hold on to each side of the rectangles. Make sure the elastic strap hangs out. You can even wrap the elastic strap around your hand to keep a hold of it. Twist both the hands in opposite directions like the way I do until you get a figure 8 shape. Now, rotate further and the sunshade will naturally curl into a small circular position. Make a few adjustments and the now twisted circles will fall in line with each other, creating a compact size that you can fit back into the case. Wrap the elastic strap around it to keep it in place. It's now up to you to keep it in the pouch. Now you're going to be a pro in folding your sunshade. It's really that easy.